In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to merge in Pinterest Desktop. If you've ended up with a few overlapping boards and want everything in one place, merging is a quick way to consolidate without saving each pin one by one. I'll walk you through the exact clicks, and along the way I'll share a few pointers so you know exactly what to expect. First, open Pinterest on your computer in a web browser. Give the page a moment to load your home feed. Once you're in, look to the left side of the screen for the icon that takes you to your boards. This is where all of your saved content is organized. Click that icon to open your profile area. On your profile, switch to the boards view so you can see every board you've created. This makes it easy to choose the one you want to merge from. Take a second to confirm which board will be the source, the one whose pins you want to move, and which board will be the destination, the one that will receive those pins. Click to open the board you want to merge from. Inside that board, head to the top right corner and click the three-dot menu. This menu holds your board tools. From the options that appear, choose Merge. Before you proceed, a quick heads up. Merging moves all pins from this board into another board and then removes the original board. It's designed to be a permanent cleanup step, so make sure you're working with the correct board. A list of your boards will appear. Click the board you want to merge into. Pick the destination that best matches the topic so your pins stay organized and easy to find later. Remember, your pins will live on that destination board after this, and the source board will no longer be available. To finish, click Done. Pinterest will process the merge, and depending on how many pins you have, this may take a moment. When it's complete, check the destination board to make sure everything looks right. You should see the pins from the source board now combined there. A few quick tips to keep things smooth. Double check board names and cover images before merging so you don't accidentally combine the wrong ones. If you only need to move a handful of pins, it might be better to move them individually instead of merging an entire board. And if your boards have very different themes, consider renaming or reorganizing sections afterward to keep your content tidy. That's it. You've merged your boards on Pinterest Desktop. Thanks for watching and happy organizing.